Ladies and gentlemen, day 4 of the Australian VIP NRF Tour and day 2 of NRF. Today we're taking a look at the Innovation Lab. I'm here with Ellen from Volumental. Ellen, what are you going to show us today?
Today I'm going to show you a 3D scan and AI for footwear.
Let's do it.
Now what you have to do is stand still for 5 seconds and then we start the scanning process. So now we're currently scanning. And now the scan is actually already done. It's capturing the data, so you can step on off. Your feet are actually very symmetrical. It's very uncommon for people to have similar length in their feet. So these are US sizes, 8. However, you do have quite a wide foot. We can then do a shoe recommendation. Currently we work with an Atlantic shoe chain, Fleet Fit Sports, and we don't want it to be too directive. So for instance, we ask the store clerk can ask the consumer, oh, what type of shoe would you prefer to run in? And this is connected to the store's POS system, so it can show in a real setting, okay, what type of shoes are available, can I purchase them, because we don't want the consumer to be like, oh, but I love that color, and then the store clerk will say, oh, it's not in stock. We are in New Balance in Australia. We're in a few flagship stores.
Thanks, Ellen. Ellen used to work at Microsoft, and now we know that Ruben has symmetrically wide feet. I'm just going to talk to myself. Over my shoulder is a novel approach to that last mile delivery. That's what they're calling it, the last mile delivery. It's basically, in Australia we'd call it an automated esky on wheels. So what it will do, the company can load their products into the top, into the case of the autonomous vehicle, and GPS technology will take the vehicle to the delivery location. A code will be emailed to the recipient to unlock the lid, and once the goods have been taken out, the little esky will take itself back home.
I heard you say it. We're falling like stars.
Robotic solution that was designed to improve productivity in an e-commerce fulfillment application. So typically people address this issue by throwing a lot of labor around a warehouse to try to get throughput, to get orders out the door. Locus allows those pickers to stay in a zone, and they just service robots that come into their area. The net result is about a 2 to 4 times improvement in throughput in an e-commerce fulfillment environment. Still need human element, right, to get the product.
And this just runs it back to the kind of, I guess, packaging and distribution.
Exactly right. Right. Yeah.
I feel so close to you.
Hi, I'm Lisa from Bond. We're a tech company in New York City that helps businesses stay personal by sending thoughtful handwritten notes written with a robot. You can see here a real pen, a real ink, and we can digitize anyone's handwriting.
Hi, my name is Jason Brown. I'm from Door. We're based in San Francisco, have our sales and marketing arm in Durham, North Carolina. And essentially we use a actual thermal sensor to measure a heat signature, let you know how many opportunities you have within your retail space. The reason why that's important for you is you understand now how to staff your location to the opportunity. 90% of retailers are either understaffed or overstaffed. In addition to that, you can understand your marketing approach and whether it's successful or not for that specific location. And you get your conversion rate. So you use a software platform to show you all your data, specifically quantifying that missed opportunity for you. And then we also have an open API so that your team can just take all of our data, dump it right into whatever platform they're currently using to be as successful as possible.
Oh, you noticed the chaos around us.
Hi, I'm Greg Moore from Fit3D, and I'll tell you a little bit about our product. So we're a 3D body scanning company. Generally what that means is we deploy 3D body scanners similar to the one back here called our Pro Scanner. This scanner is used at almost 1,000 locations worldwide, and basically what it does is in 35 seconds captures a full 3D body scan of a human individual. We are now have so much data that we're starting to use that data to really help with services and products in the retail space. That could be aggregating through our body sets and pulling out the perfect body model for your product design, or that could be using our predictive measurement engine to help you with your online fitting problems, which is going to help to reduce the return rate.
They did ask Ruben to take his clothes off to get a more accurate scan, but we decided not to.
I go by myself with only memories to hold. Were you gonna tell me? Were you gonna tell me? Were you gonna tell me? You thought I knew.
I founded this company because I realized that computer vision is so much richer as a technology than RFID. RFID gives you one bit of information. The product is there or it's not there. With computer vision we can extract so much. And we know that because when we look at an image or a sequence of images, a video clip, as humans, there's so much information that we can grasp. We know what the person is looking at. We know if the person is happy, how old they are. And what we decided to do is use computer vision primarily to solve the hardest problems of them all, which is how to determine if a transaction has happened, how to determine if and what a customer took from the shelf. So that's really the core technologies that we're showing behind this store. More specifically, we wanted to effectively create an unattended robotic store where the merchant doesn't have to be present for a transaction to happen. Here I do my regular browsing as I would in a normal store, and eventually I take an item and I just leave. So as I left that store, two things happened. My credit card got charged and I got an email suggesting exactly what I picked and what I was billed.
What a great man with a vision, Bernd Schoner from Deep Magic.
Were you gonna tell me? You thought I knew. You thought I knew. You thought I knew.
So hi, my name is Idan. I'm the co-founder of My Story, and we are bringing artificial intelligence into brick and mortar stores, helping them making better decisions, better than men, because this is AI, to understand which is the best item to promote to each and every customer inside the store. We do it by analyzing enormous amount of data they already possess, of online analytics and weather and trends, and analyzing sales reports to understand, while you are looking at it, which is the best item, the item with the highest probability for you to buy.
Were you gonna tell me? You thought I knew. You thought I knew.
Ruben and I are just leaving the Innovation Hub, where there are a lot of sort of startup style of businesses there. What did you think, Ruben?
Awesome. Meeting all the founders, all the people that have gone out and created these businesses themselves was really rewarding and interesting actually. So loved it.
We've now left the NRF and we're at the Microsoft store here in downtown New York to hear from some startups. Great little premises here. I'm looking forward to this.
They're doing traditional static banner ads. Now you can create interactive shoppable malls directly within your website. So same concept, you tag your products within photos and now your viewers and readers can click to shop directly from your content. And then lastly, we create white label solutions and APIs for any brands and retailers looking to empower their sales force to help them sell more online and also to better engage with their customers.
Information about when a product is being picked from the shelf, how much of stock is left in the shelf. That would be great, right? What we build are systems that transform your shelves into smart shelves. They are self-aware.
So think about it basically. You, a retailer, have millions and millions of customers interacting with you through all your digital channels at any point in time. how can you offer a truly personalized experience, catering to the needs of any one of them with different styles. Style DNA is different for every person, and basically that is what we are creating and what we find.
At Markable, we power visual search for fashion retailers, including clothing and accessories. Accessories like sunglasses, bags, footwear, including shoes, boots, and other fashion accessories.
Everywhere scales that personal feeling by leveraging your inventory against her preferences, and I'm going to show you how this works. We build tooling that can live in your website. We bring the sales associate to her laptop, her desktop, her phone.
Well, it's just wrapping up here at the Microsoft Startup Showcase. It's been a big day again for the Australian NRF VIP Tour. We had a great time visiting the Innovation Lab and seeing some of the new technology that is coming out. I hope you enjoyed it, and we look forward to bringing you more content here on NRF New York.